it in a permanent mount now where it should go. And I think the audio is going to prove to be much better this way. So I'm just continuing this turnaround job. I'm at full bore digging right now, which a lot of times you're not always at full throttle. Depends what you're doing. And obviously it's faster full throttle than if you throttle back a little bit. So we'll put this side by side to one of my more recent videos with the Hero, I think 4 is what I normally used it here. And I'll probably pack that bottom down while I'm here. Hero 4 black, something like that. Give it a little better chance. Yeah, and this job is just one of them that I feel like it's never going to get done because I just get constantly interrupted with different things. But I guess that's the beauty of living here, you know, you can just jump in a machine and work on it for an hour if you want. I have sold three things here recently, so that'll pad the kitty a little bit for that 38 acres, because I got a feeling we're going to have some hefty dumpster expenses. But depends on you know, what we're going to do with them bricks, them blocks. Alright, so that should do it for this test. I'm going to turn some jams on and keep digging. Alright, let's try this camera in the skid steer. So this was about a week ago or so when Brock from Rock Hill Farm was testing my Mini. But anyways, this is the borrow pit, so you can kind of see how much more dirt we've now moved in the last couple episodes here on this dirt turnaround. Delivery truck right there. So pretty much burned up my two big piles. To Alright, here's another clip from when Brock was testing my skid steer, but I wanted to show you on the left there where the military trailer is. That was kind of the before look about 2 weeks ago when I kicked this project back off again. So now we'll go back to where we are, and you can see how much deeper into the woods it's gotten from the last 2 or 3 stints at this project. Just for what it is, probably bring the excavator and try to compact this side a little more. I don't have much reach here, and I don't want to go over that edge. Got a lot more dirt to move, but this was good progress. This is all brand new what we're driving on. I started hiring excavators out that I realized, just moving dirt from here to there, I mean, it's a big deal. Ask any of your excavator buddies. Alright, now I'm skimming. I had a little bit of water sitting in here, so now I'm skimming the rock high part, and I'm going to get a much nicer kind of a grade down to the edge of this thing. So I'm starting to push this, some of the 3-inch stone that I made before, and then I'll do a nice grade on it. I don't think I'm going to be adding stone today yet, but definitely going to be a little closer. I took out a gouge there. I think I'm going to wrap it up for today. Made a lot of progress. This is all, this last 12 feet or so, maybe even more, is all brand new, and it's a lot wider. So I could park a couple trailers back here quite easily, and I could still build this out much farther. There's my pipe, so you can see I filled all the way into the pipe without burying it. I've done that before, so we'll see how it's going to hold up. It's not the worst thing. I mean, even if it did leak in there a little, it's just right on this back side, so I think this is going to work great. Next step is going to be a little more dirt and then gravel. Catch you on the next one.